Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I will be explaining about 5 powerful commands that you should know if you are a Windows user. Without any further delay, let's get started. The first command is to hide any folder on your computer. It's a simple but powerful command that anyone can use. Now I am going to hide this folder named secret as a demonstration. Now type cmd in here. Once cmd is opened, type this command. Additionally, type the name of the folder that you wish to hide and then hit enter. Yes, as you can see that the folder is now hidden. Okay, now let's bring it back. To unhide the folder, you will have to type the following command. You should be able to see that the folder is now visible. This way, you can hide any folder on your computer easily. Now, let's talk about the second command. This command will help you to see the system information of your computer without any effort. Now type the command msinfo32 and hit enter. On this new window, you should be able to see a lot of information about your computer. Now let's move on to the next command. This is a tricky command that helps you to change the color of the text in command prompt. Now type the command help color and hit enter. Here you can see a list of colors. If you want to select one, then type color and the number. As you can see that the color of the text is changed to red. Now let's change it to yellow. Now let's move on to the fourth command. Using this command, you can start any application. Let's check it out. And now type start and the name of the software that you wish to open. As you can see that the Chrome is now opened. Now let's try to open Microsoft Excel. Now let's talk about the fifth and final command. This command that I am going to talk about will help you to clean temporary files on your computer. It's a pretty long command, so I will put it on description box so that you can just copy and paste. As you can see that all the temporary files on your computer is now deleted. If you think this video informative, leave a thumbs up and let me know by commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.